and today I'm going to be doing a video on how to use asset IDs in Roblox, and this only works on the Roblox website, not on the app. So without further ado, let's get into it. By the way, guys, we do not have enough subscribers. We are trying to get to 50. We have 29 right now, but we are really trying to get to 50, so please like and subscribe. Also, 94% of you who are watching are not subscribed, and 3.2% of you are subscribed watching, so I need you guys to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so first asset ID thing that I think of is the skin tone. You'll see that there's not many colors to pick from, and so you simply just click this advanced button, hit it, and it gives you a lot more colors. You could also change different colors for different things. So if I wanted to change my left arm to white, I could do that. It'll take a second to change, but I could do that. I could make my, see, my left arm is now white, but I want it black, so I'm just gonna put it back at that. But you can also do all, and still you get a lot of these colors, a lot more than they allow you to pick from by default, which is only some of these browns, some of the yellows, 1 or 2 of the greens, and really not that much. But I'm, as usual, just gonna stick to the black. So, you can do that with the skin tones. You could also do that with your hair. So let's say you wanted to wear pal hair or bacon hair and this true blue hair. You'd simply just copy the true blue hair and hit the advanced button and paste the asset ID, because that's what it'll give you when you copy that. And now you'll see I have both hairs on. This will look weird, but this is just if you want 2 hairs on. I don't want any of these on, but it's still a way to wear 2 hairs at once. And you can do this, I think, with one other thing, which would be back accessories and accessories altogether. Let's say I wanted to wear this with a skateboard. I'd simply copy the skateboard and then paste it over here like that and click save, and now it'll take a second to load, but I'll have the skateboard on and my classic story pack. Now it may not show, oh never mind, because in my other video or in one of my tries of the video it didn't show last time, but I guess it shows in here. So you could wear a skateboard and a sword pack. I don't want that. But also, if you don't see this loaded in this avatar editor, you could just go to your Roblox app and see it, but I need to restart my Roblox because I don't have this on anymore. But yeah, that would really be helpful if you wanted to wear any accessories like that, actually. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. This was just a simple video on how to use the asset IDs and how they work to wear 2 items at once at the same time. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.